BT OpenReach will have provided you a wall point, much like the one you see here, which is going to power the Natterbox voice line. Also, in the Cisco that you took delivery of earlier in the week, you will also have a microfilter, much as the one that you can see here. The first step will simply be to plug the microfilter directly into the wall socket. You'll also find in your Cisco pack a ADSL cable, and all you need to do again is plug the ADSL cable from one end into the microfilter, and then the other end simply goes into the middle socket in the back of your Cisco router, and the socket will be marked ADSL. Once that's done, you next need to connect up the power. The power goes on the right hand side, and you'll know when it's correctly connected because it'll give a little click once it's all the way in. And then also you'll need to plug in your Ethernet cable, which will allow your router to talk to your phones. You can now plug the other end of the Ethernet cable into the rear of the phone. You'll actually notice on the back of the phones there are two sockets, one marked Internet and one marked PC. It's actually the Internet port on the left hand side of the phone that you actually want to plug the Ethernet cable into. There we are. And finally, you can power up your Cisco router, and that will give you Natterbox voice. If you wish to connect more than 4 phones to your Cisco router, you may wish to make use of a switch. Pretty much any third-party switch is supported by Natterbox, however Natterbox do not supply switches themselves. So this time plug in the Ethernet cable, much as we did before, into the Cisco router, but this time plug the other end into your switch. Then take a second Ethernet cable, plug that into your switch as well, and then the other end of that second Ethernet cable will then go into the back of your phone. And you can repeat this process as many times for as many phones as you wish to add into your switch.